A New York court's decision to block undocumented immigrants from voting could set a precedent here in Maryland, where voting rights for non-citizens are expanding.
Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor joins us live with more. Rebecca.
Yeah, Mary and Maxine, although no state allows non-citizens to vote in state or federal elections, Maryland is one of just a handful of states that does grant that right locally in some places. Today, I reached out to several state leaders trying to gauge where their stance is on this issue, but I found that their votes, for some of them, were hard to come by. Spurring new debate over election inclusion and integrity. New York's highest court striking down a New York City law allowing non-citizens to vote in local elections. The court's decision arguing the state's constitution draws a firm line on restricting voting to citizens. Across the country, no state constitution explicitly allows non-citizens to vote. However, Maryland joins D.C., California, and Vermont, where the right can be granted at the local level. Last November, Edmonston in PG County marking the 16th Maryland municipality to allow non-citizen voting, more than any other state.
I think most people think that you should have to have citizenship in order to vote.
Political analyst John Deedy anticipating New York's landmark decision could spark new legal challenges here in Maryland.
Maybe not necessarily you're going to win in Maryland state court, but if you appeal this and it ends up in federal court, you could see where this would be a situation where the federal government say, no, the Constitution says this.
As for what the future may hold, in a statement, GOP leader Justin Reedy applauding the court's decision, saying he's strongly opposed to non-citizens voting. Meanwhile, Governor Wes Moore and Senate President Bill Ferguson not responding to Fox 45's request for comment.
I think right now a lot of the Democratic leaders don't want to touch this issue because it is the hot stove.
Given the topic's polarizing nature and ongoing national debate, Deedy not surprised to see some state leaders sitting out of this vote.
It becomes a balance between catering to voters that may support this type of thing, constituency groups that do, but at the same time, knowing that coming out too strong for an issue like this, you can become a pinata for the Republican Party.
Today, I also reached out to Baltimore City Mayor Brandon Scott for his stance on this issue, but as of news time tonight, did not hear back from him either. Reporting live in Baltimore City, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.